New Kiskeya Christian School is an English-based Christian school here in Northwest Haiti. We have over 110 students that are learning here, ranging from pre-K to 7th grade, learning here at the school.
Okay, the original vision for the school was to actually take children from this area, children that are in the lowest level of Haitian society, children who probably would not have a shot at life, I mean, most likely, but take them, give them the best opportunity in life. And we take those children from the countryside, we give them the same opportunity that a parent in Port-au-Prince who is a diplomat or someone else, might be able to give to their children. That's the vision here, to change society by offering to those children the opportunity that they would never have, or only a very small percentage of the Haitian population now.
Put it over here. Again. What is this?
It's a green square.
What is this?
It's a green square.
Good job.
Green triangle.
Good job. What is this?
It's a red circle.
What is this?
It's a green square.
What is your name?
My name is Louis Canada. My school's name is New Kiskeya Christian School.
My school name is New Kiskeya Christian School.
My school's name is New Kiskeya Christian School.
I like to learn math and multiplication.
I learn about math, science, history, Jesus. I learn about Daniel.
Like Daniel, David and Goliath, Noah. Like in the Bible, I know God is our Father. God wants us to be kind to others. Do not envy anything that belongs to someone else. Do not murder. Respect your mom and dad.
Ephesians 6 verse 1. Children, obey your parents and the Lord, for this is right.
Genesis 1 verse 1. In the beginning, God created the heavens, the earth.
What is your favorite subject? Do you like math, science, reading, writing? What do you like?
I like reading.
Good. Okay, say it louder.
I like reading. God is the one who created the heavens, the earth, and everything that lives. He made humans in His image and gave them dominion over the earth. God formed a man from dirt and gave him the garden in Eden. God allowed him to eat the fruit from other trees except the tree of good and evil. God named the man Adam.
These students need your help. Right now, our students are working on benches that provide no back support and using worksheets in place of textbooks, and you have the power to transform their experience. I want to introduce you to Equip NK, and that's the New Kiskeya Christian School Campaign for Success. And with your help, the Equip NK campaign is going to raise $60,000. Your donation is going to help equip a New Kiskeya Christian School student with much needed textbooks, workbooks, and a year's worth of tests, or desks and chairs instead of benches with no back support, all the way up to items such as a new wall for the school to replace a wall that we have that was incomplete and also damaged by a recent earthquake. So please consider giving. You can go to nkchristian.com/wishlist today to make your tax-deductible donation. And we want you to know that your donation is going to help give a student out here in rural Northwest Haiti the same quality of education that you receive.
Thank you for your help.
Thank you for your help.